Good, today I got something to build. This is a disassembled car that runs on solar. And I bought it from eBay, so I hope it will work. Let's have a look. That's good. Seal of approval. Okay, that's disassembled, then this, that. Okay, that should be easy. Tiny motor ore is already attached to the solar panel. And screws. Oh, how cool. How cool is that? Look at this. Okay, that's worth it, isn't it? That's the tiniest screwdriver I ever had. Nice, nice. So basically it comes with everything you need to assemble it. So good thing to do is if you try to assemble something, look at the stuff. So we have this is that. And there's actually a picture of the tiny screwdriver. Then we have to do this. Done. And now we fix it. 1, 2. Actually, I wonder that it's not working right now because I have a bit of light shining through the camera, but it seems not to be enough. And the trusty flashlight. See in the description for the video of it. And nothing happens. Actually, we're getting like 1 volt out of it. Can you see this? Funny, it needs like 2 volts to run. And so this is 1.9 volts. And it's barely running. More or less like 3 volts. 2 volts, 2 volts, 1.9. So basically the solar panel is too weak to power it. Or maybe it's too much resistance. Maybe if I loosen this a bit. And it has a little more play. Okay, this is like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Under my light conditions, this has no chance to make it work. But maybe we can do something about this. I think I named this one How to Fix the Solar Electric Car by putting batteries in it. So let's have a look. Basically my math tells me that 1.5 plus 1.5 equals 3, which is more than 1. My kids will love it. Isn't that fun? It's so much fun. Okay, the batteries added more weight, but also it delivers like twice the voltage of this one. So, and I didn't look into it, but maybe the light from the LED, even though it's bright, is not the right wavelength to activate the solar panels, and it would work with real sunlight, so in direct sunlight. But as it is night right now, there is no sunlight. And that was the only light source I had. And no, this screw is not creating friction. I think the best thing about this kit is the little screwdriver. Now it has a little antenna, that's even cooler. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. It's moving. Isn't it? It's so much fun.